You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to change the name that appears when you airdrop files from your iPhone. Your airdrop name is the same as your device name. To change it, open the Settings app, tap General, then tap About, tap on the first entry, which is Name. Delete the current name using the backspace key on the keyboard. Type in your new preferred name, tap Done on the keyboard. This new name will now be used for AirDrop, Bluetooth, personal hotspot, and when your iPhone appears on other networks like iTunes, the change takes effect immediately. Now, when someone nearby opens their AirDrop receiver, they will see your new name in the list of available devices. Remember, this name is visible to others in close proximity, so choose something appropriate. If you're part of a family sharing group, you might see a family member's name suggestion. You can ignore it and type your own. This is also how you rename your iPhone for Find My and backups. To revert, simply follow the same steps and enter your original name. For more simple iPhone customization tutorials, subscribe to the channel.